Got a 2019 Ford Flex Limited. Has some front end collision damage. And on the left side, frame rail looks okay. Fender's damaged here. Aprons look square. The unit does start and drive. The right side apron and strut tower are sitting in place. The coolers appear to be intact, holding fluid. Let's close the hood. All right. You have damage down the left side. You need fender, 2 doors, quarter skin, rear bumper, and a tail light. The rocker panel looks like it has some damage as well. The roof looks nice and square. I don't see any buckles. Windshield is good. I don't know how the door glass survived, but it did. You have some damage to the right fender, some repairable damage to the right front door, some repairable damage to the right rear door and right rear dog leg. This is the dog leg right here on the quarter panel. It's a limited model. It's an all-wheel drive, salvage title. Let's take a look inside. Really nice interior. Leather, 7-passenger. As you can see, none of the airbags are deployed. Good forward bags. Curtain airbags are good. Seat airbags are good. Really sharp, really nice car. If you like our content, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and we'll keep pumping them out. Thanks for watching.